Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would share with you the testing job opportunities for experience as well as will share with you the remote jobs. So let me share the details with you. So the first job opportunity is for a DevOps engineer and the location is Gurgaon. The experience is 5+ years is the experience that is required, and the skill set is the DevOps, Docker, AWS, all these things are required. Notice period is immediate joiners, and interested candidates can send their CVs to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for functional tester, 2 to 5 years of experience, remote India, and this is for someone who can work in India time zone, immediate joiners only, and role details are given. The experience should be 2 to 5 years in functional testing. Contract duration is 6 months with strong potential to extend up to 12 months. Availability is immediate joiners are preferred here, and interview process is 2 rounds. Benefits, competitive compensation, and work hours is India time zone, but you should support the US client. So you can drop your CV at this particular email address. Then Tech Systems is hiring for a QA automation engineer. Total experience required is 5+ years in Tosca, manual testing, CI/CD, right? And location is Hyderabad. So reference is good. You can share your CV profile at this particular email address, ppranavi@techsystems.com. You can also check with this email address also. Remove one P before if maybe by a typo the recruiter would have posted. And along with these details, total experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, current location, and preferred location, right? So then there is a requirement for PHP developer, 6 to 12 months of experience. They are looking for trainee, junior software engineer. Location is Bhubaneswar. Requirements are given, and availability is immediate. Joiners are preferred. Then there is a company in Ahmedabad who is looking for QA with QA engineer or QA lead with 6 to 9 years of experience. So location is Ahmedabad. Number of positions are 3. So you can apply to this particular link, and they are looking for someone who can perform automation testing, manual testing, functional testing, good communication skills, someone who has got good analytical thinking and leadership quality. So you'll have to update your CV here with respect to the lead qualities. Then there is a hiring for QA engineer, manual plus Cypress playwright, and you can visit this particular company. It's a face-to-face interview, and you can also send your resume to these two email addresses. They are looking for QA engineers with 1 to 4 years of experience in testing and automation, and they are going for the tools like Cypress or Playwright, right? So you can apply over here. Apart from this, there is a work from home job opportunity. So let me share those details with you. Uh, So this is a work from home job opportunity, and they are looking for manual tester, work from home, someone who can work on contract for 3 to 4 months. Experience required is 7 to 8 years, and shift timings would be 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. So these are the job opportunities. You can apply them today itself and share your profile CV to these job opportunities. Right. So these are the job opportunities. And apart from that, if you are looking for any kind of career guidance, any kind of mentorship, or any kind of the decision making, so you can book the call on the top mate with respect to the career guidance. It would be 30 minutes of call, And after you book the call, we you can also share your CV at this particular email address, so we can review your CV and we can assist you accordingly. Right? This is very important. Many of the people are stuck in their careers. They are looking for the job opportunities, but they are not getting the jobs. They're not getting the calls. They're not getting the interviews being scheduled. Or if the interviews are scheduled, they are unable to clear the interviews. They are unable to crack the interviews. So you can book the calls on the top mate with respect to the career guidance. We would be happy to assist you here, and it would be a 30 minutes of call, and we would be discussing the real time, the practical things, no theoretical things over here. Everything that you feel with respect to the market would be told. Everything with respect to the resume, let's say your resume is not getting shortlisted, you're not getting calls, so all those things would be uh, given the guidance in the right direction, and you can book the call on the top mate for the same. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.